scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. First, let's look at the very last codon in both sequences. The normal DNA ends with CTC, while the mutated version ends with CAC. This single base change is our focus. Finally, we see that glutamic acid has been replaced by valine due to that one mutation. This matches our first choice perfectly. That makes option A our final winner today.